How to create an envelope using a template. After logging into your account, click the Create New Envelope drop-down from the navigation bar and select Use an existing template. Select the template you want to use and click on Use Selected. Now scroll down and click Next. Drag and place the secured QR code. Now scroll down the document and check all the fields. After checking all the fields, click Next. To save this document, enter name and location of the document in the dashboard. Select the location in the dashboard and click OK. After filling the details, click OK to save this document. Now click on Submit button to save this document in VeriDoc Ledger. Please note that you cannot change this document once you press the Submit button. A confirmation mail has been sent to all signers and viewers. That's it for today. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.